To send crypto via Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email. Once logged in, click on the Wallet tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to send from the list of available assets. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to the cryptocurrency you selected. You will be taken to a new page where you need to enter the recipient's address. Make sure to double-check the address as crypto transactions are irreversible. You can also add a label to the address for future reference. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, either by typing it in or using the max button to send the entire balance. Be aware that there may be a minimum withdrawal amount and a withdrawal fee, which will be deducted from the amount you are sending. Before confirming the transaction, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount, and the network fees. If everything looks good, click the Confirm button to send the cryptocurrency. It is essential to note that different cryptocurrencies have different transaction times and fees. For example, Bitcoin transactions may take longer and have higher fees compared to other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Binance Coin. To increase the security of your transaction, consider using the Binance address book to save frequently used addresses. You can also set up an anti-phishing code to add an extra layer of protection to your account. After confirming the transaction, you will receive an email notification with the transaction details. You can also track the status of the transaction on the blockchain by using a block explorer. In conclusion, sending crypto via Binance is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail to ensure the transaction is executed correctly. Always double-check the recipient's address, the amount, and the network fees before confirming the transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send cryptocurrency using Binance.